really speaks the sentiments of my heart. I never lost my praise.
Go Anna!
I've lost some good friends along life's way. Some loved ones departed in heaven to stay, but thank God I didn't lose everything. I've lost faith in people who said they cared. In the time of my crisis, they were never there. But in my disappointment, in my season of pain, one thing never wavered, one thing never changed. I never lost my hope. I never lost my joy. I never lost my faith, but most of all, I never lost my praise. It's still here. I let some blessings slip away when I lost my focus and went astray. But thank God I didn't lose everything. I lost possessions that were so dear, and I lost some battles by walking in faith.
Go Poopy!
But in the midst of my struggles, in my season of pain, one thing never wavered, one thing never changed. I never lost my Can I testify? Now I went to the doctor, and the doctor told us that I needed surgery to remove a large tumor, and that it could be cancerous. But I kept on praying, and I kept on praying. And when the surgery was over, there was no cancer.
Go Poopy!
I didn't let go of my faith. I didn't let go of my faith. The devil tried to stop it. And Try to tell me I never recorded.